You've come to the right place.
You've made an excellent choice to apply to UC Riverside or another UC. The first step to applying is to complete the UC application.
Did you know that the single application you submit will be sent to all of the UCs you select? One application works for all campuses, so make sure that you complete all parts of the app before submitting it.
And don't wait until the last minute to start your application.
Let's walk through the process one step at a time. It's not hard, but you do have to make sure you complete everything.
Here's how to apply to UC Riverside. Go Highlanders!
In order to apply to University of California campuses, you need to create an account at www.apply.universityofcalifornia.edu. As we guide you on the general steps of this application, remember, read all the directions carefully. Hello, Dad? Can you send me some family information I need for my UC application? Like the family income, first generation status, and your job information? Thank you. Love you. Bye. Before we get started, you should have your high school or community college transcripts, test scores, and even your parent to help fill out some family information. You'll need to enter and report everything as part of the application process. Feel free to pause this video as you prepare everything. I'll still be here.
Ready? Let's get started.
Once you have created your account, select which term you are applying for. Is it a fall admission or a winter admission? Then, choose whether you are a high school student or a transfer student. A transfer student is any student who has enrolled in a regular session at a college or university the summer after high school graduation.
For the About You page, we're asking for basic information such as your full legal name, your birth date, and where you were born.
Next is your home and mailing address, your country of citizenship, and if you have one, your social security number. Your social security number will be used to match your UC Riverside application with the information you shared on your FAFSA, so make sure it's entered correctly. UC Riverside welcomes students of all backgrounds and nationalities. Our diversity is one of many things we are proud of. Just ask any Highlander.
It's true.
For the rest of the demographic section, we need additional information about you and your family. If you are unsure, ask them for help.
And once you arrive at the About You review page, make sure all the information is correct. Now here's the fun part. This is where you get to pick and choose your prospective campus and major. With so many welcoming students, amazing faculty, and a wealth of resources at your hand, there's no reason why anybody wouldn't want to be a Highlander. The diagram shows all of the University of California campuses. UC Riverside is located in Southern California, between Los Angeles and Palm Springs. When applying to UC Riverside, you need to pick your first choice major. If you're an incoming freshman, I know it may seem daunting. Take time to figure out what major you want to pursue. You can even choose undeclared for now. If you are a transfer student, pick the major you are currently pursuing. You also need to pick your alternate choice major. If you're accepted as a freshman but your first choice isn't available, you can be offered the alternative.
I see the hard work you've been putting in, and now those sleepless nights are going to pay off.
Now that you're here at the academic history page, it's a great time to pull out those academic transcripts.
Please be careful though. Like every other section of this application, make sure all your information is accurate. If there is a mistake, it may jeopardize your application.
At this stage, we're asking for everything. If you're an incoming freshman, we need your high school grades and even college courses you've taken while in high school. If you're a transfer student, we need information regarding college courses that you've taken. All the relevant information you have, enter it here.
If there is anything else you'd like to add, go ahead and put it in this box. Now it's time to tell us what you've accomplished outside of the classroom. This is where you can tell us about your extracurricular activities, including your work experience and community service, plus any awards you may have received. But remember, quality over quantity. Within the UC application, you can also apply to receive scholarships based on your major, interests, and background. Choose whichever that are appropriate for you.
You're almost finished with your application. Now, do some stretches before starting the final step, the Personal Insight Questions, or the PIQs for short.
UC requires that you answer 4 personal insight questions to give us a detailed picture of the unique individual that is you. More than numbers and grades, we want to see who you are.
You'll see that there are 8 prompts given here. Take a breather and carefully read through each of them to see which ones apply best to you. Remember, your responses should be between 250 and 350 words.
One tip is to use a writing program like Google Docs or Microsoft Word to perfect your answers. Once they're ready, copy and paste them into your application.
This is another section where you can fill us in with additional information about you that you couldn't find the right place to add. Read the directions carefully. Do not use this space for your PIQs. Use this space to highlight anything important about you that you weren't able to mention previously.
And I know you love UCR and want to come here badly, but remember that other UCs you apply to will be reading your PIQs. Just be kind.
Were you able to best reflect what makes you, you on the application?
For the last time, go back and review every part of your application. Once you're confident that looks good, just submit it.
And then give yourself a pat on the back for completing your UC Riverside application. It wasn't easy, but you did it. We hope we get to see you on campus soon. Go Highlanders!